This video will go over some of the differences between the current 2022.02 version of Archibus reserving spaces in Web Central versus Workplace. So there are a few differences still in this version that I assume Archibus is going to be closing the gap in the next few versions and adding as they add more features into Workplace. Well, first let's take a look at the interface. So this is the booking page for users using Workplace. It is usable on your phone, mobile-friendly interface. It's got a good search. It's easy to search for amenities, go for a specific date, look at a specific building and floor. Going over to Web Central, this is what the booking interface looks like, where we've got a search console just at the top here, and then it'll show you, not on a floor plan, just a list of all of the rooms that are available here. And then you select the room, drag the booking window for when you want it, and reserve. Going back to Workplace, you click on, once you have your parameters, you click on the room, you drag on this page, and it will show you the information in a picture, nice and big. Give your meeting name. You can add your attendees on this page. Review and book. In the Web Central console, some of the additional features that you do have is you can pick a different room configuration. Room configurations are, for example, if you have a side A and a side B on a room, you can book either side A or side B or both, an A-B configuration, and you can decide what is available to the users. And for example, if somebody has booked side A already, it does allow you to block them from reserving both sides A, B. And they show as different options on the list here. See, this is 109 at the bottom, has two different configurations there, and you could put a picture to show that if you'd like. Additionally, it lets you pick the room arrangement. So room 109 here, you can have a classroom, a conference room, or a theater arrangement of the space. And each of those can have different capacities associated with them and a different picture as well to help the user. So those are not features that are currently in Workplace. You can only book the entire room, and you cannot specify the arrangement yet in Workplace. The other thing that you can do is you can add reservable resources to your room if those are available. I don't have an example here, but if you had, for example, you needed IT configuration for your room, you can add resources that way and select which ones you want. You can add your conference call information, so you could add your Zoom meeting link to it. Once you hit the reserve button, you have a few other options as well. Oh, I need to select some time, and I can hit reserve. This is where you put in your meeting name, and you can add your attendees, but also you have the additional option that you don't have in the other one for adding catering information. So you can make your catering selection, and this is configurable of what catering is available in what room. Make your selections and add it to your booking before you confirm. Catering selections are not available in the Workplace interface at this time. So generally, the application is moving towards having users in Workplace and making their bookings through this interface. but there are a couple features there that if you do need them, they are currently only available using the Web Central side.